Hey guys, Richard here for the School of Nomads. So in today's review I want to go through a site called 20 Cogs. Now 20 Cogs is a site that allows you to earn money for filling out various offers. Now the cogs come in because it's 20 different offers essentially that you need to fill out before they'll actually pay up the money they say that you get per offer. And that usually takes about 30 days once you've completed the offers. So we'll go into all of the actual offers once we get into the site. So you get a £5 welcome bonus. It's easy enough to do. You go ahead and join up for free. You follow the instructions that they give you to complete the offers. You will be paid by bank transfer or PayPal. Now they paid over £2 million out. Now this site is 20cogs.co.uk, so it's based in the UK. And essentially you just go ahead and fill out these offers that they've got. Now there is some issues there, so I'm going to go through those various issues. If you're looking for the ways to earn money online, because this will help you determine whether you think this is going to be a good option for you. Because if you do something like this, you have to be very, very organised to get the most out of it. So essentially, let's look at how much you earn. They say let's keep it realistic. It's not going to be hundreds daily. On average, a member earns just over £200. The highest ever payment is over £700. Now, who wouldn't want that? We pay our members 3 times a week via transfer or PayPal. So they're not really offering hundreds of pounds a day. In fairness, they are keeping it a little bit lower key and saying that essentially you can just earn a few quid here and there to sign up for some of these offers. So let's jump over to Trustpilot, because I'm seeing some things on Trustpilot here. There's one there and a couple here that I want to kind of investigate. So I jumped over to Trustpilot and look, it's got 4.5 stars. So you would imagine this is really good. So, you know, if I go through some of these latest reviews, unfortunately, the last 3 of them look like they're pretty awful. And then you have some of these here that look good. But then you've got a lot of these reviews are invited, look. So they're obviously being invited by the company to go ahead and leave a review. Now, I'm not sure what incentives, I haven't been a member that long, what incentives you're getting to actually go ahead and leave these reviews, because they could well be giving people out incentive. But essentially, you know, if you look at this firsthand, this appears to be a good rating, apart from obviously a few people here aren't very happy. So let's jump into the site itself and I'll kind of show you around. So here's the dashboard. Up here you've got the training, you've got the offers here, which I'll go into in more detail, bonus offers here, how it works, refer a friend, which I'll go into in some detail, help desk, your earnings, and my account. Now, the main things to look at here first are your earnings on the left-hand side here. I've got £5 bonus for just joining, and I got a £5 bonus when I just completed a 2-line survey, right? Now, I need to complete all of these cogs. These are all cogs, and everything's locked until you go ahead and complete all of these various offers. Now, the offers are here on the right-hand side. Now, all you need to do is come over here, read the offer, and basically go ahead and do whatever the instructions say to get your £10 in this case. But here's the but with these sites, and this is why you have to be incredibly well organised. You are signing up for external companies here, and what this site actually is a site that's doing affiliate marketing. So they're getting a commission if you go ahead and sign for these various offers, okay? That's what this site is earning money from. So they can afford to give out the odd money back to you here and there, because not everybody who will actually sign up for these offers will end up completing all 20 cogs. So at the end of the day, they're going to be in profit, right? Because obviously you have to sign up for lots of different offers like this to get your 20 cogs signed up. So the big issue here is just the first one I came to. The Lotto Social is 10 lines for £1. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for Lotto Social. Then you can purchase the 10 lines for £1. But what happens here then is after signing up for Lotto Social, if you look here in the note, you will be charged £5 the next day. This is a weekly reoccurring charge. Now, I don't get any kind of money off these folks until at least 30 days after I end up completing all 20 cogs, okay? So if you think about this, 30 days is 4 weeks, that's £20. They're giving me 10. I'm shelling out £20 to get 10 back. So yes, I am saving money essentially, but I'm not actually making any kind of profit here. This one you earn £3 and it is Discovery Kids 7-day free trial. Now, you take out an offer, you might be a member of Prime Video. Members must stay subscribed for 7 full days. After the free trial, you'll be charged $3.99 a month for Discovery Kits. So again, you're locking yourself into a charge of $3.99 a month. You're getting 7-day free trial, so you'll immediately pay this $3.99 a month, and then you'll earn £3 back. So what they're essentially doing is giving you the first month for 99p. Now, if you're interested in this, great. But if you're not interested in this, then obviously that wouldn't be an offer for you. Next one up, you'll be a chance of testing and keeping an iPhone Pro. You earn £1.50. If you sign up for product testing, let's go ahead and have a look at this offer. Now, you don't see this, but this is an affiliate ID. I'll just come over to the site, and obviously they want me to sign up because there's going to be some kind of membership to this site as well to be an ongoing tester. Next offer is Grays. So Grays, you get your first box for $1.99. You earn £4 back. But then after your trial, you'll be charged £4.49 per box unless cancelled. So I think you get the point, guys. You've got to be careful with all of these offers because every one of them is locked in to a 30-day trial. You know, this is 30-day free trial for Shudder, and then you're locked into a $4.99 a month for Shudder, and you earn £3 back. So at the end of the day, you're not going to make any profit on any of these unless you're very, very well organized. So what you need to do really is take a screenshot of this particular trial, figure out when you actually joined, and make sure that you are staying the requisite time to be eligible for this £3, and then obviously cancel it before you start paying a monthly if you're not interested in actually taking the trial. Now, if you do find 20 offers here that you are interested in, then great. Then happy days, you can come along here and you can obviously join these various companies, and you will earn a little bit of money back for doing that. But the chances of that are very slim. You know, you're going to get, £1 here. You try Small Laundries capsules 9 times for free. You just pay the £1 postage, so you are paying for that, and it's $3.85 for 24 capsules. So, guys, essentially what you're doing here is you're paying for these various offers, and you're going to get a little bit of money back. So to me, this isn't really worth it, is it? You're going to end up not in profit. And when I think about making money online, I think about actually being in profit. So, guys, up to you. If you find an offer here, 20 offers here that you think are great and you're actually interested in, and you're organized enough to cancel them if you're not, then this could be something for you to come along and get a few pounds off. But if you don't, I wouldn't really bother with this type of site. Last thing I wanted to kind of show you is this refer a friend. Now, if you do refer a friend, which obviously these sites want you to, you go ahead and use this link here, and you can go ahead and refer friends. What they're essentially saying is you'll get 5% of whatever your friend earns forever, plus additional £20 when they cash out. So what your friend would have to do is go through each of those offers I just showed you, apply for 20 of them, and actually cancel them or take them up, whichever way they wanted to do, and then cash out before you end up getting this £30, potentially £30 for each of your friends that join. So from my point of view, guys, this isn't really something I would do. Based completely on my own opinion, it's not really something that I would do. It's not really something that I would encourage others to do, because I don't think we're that organised. But if you are a very organised person, it might be a great thing for you. But if you're anything like me, you'll forget, and you'll end up being charged a lot of money for these various companies that you're signing up for, and either forget you're being charged for them or have to then cancel after the second month. So guys, I hope you find this useful. If you are thinking about joining 20 Cogs, hope I give you a little bit of an insight into what this company is all about. If you have joined, please go ahead and leave me a comment below and tell me what your experiences are. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new reviews just like this one. I love going through sites like this just to kind of have a look around and see how they actually work and whether they are going to be useful for folks to earn a few extra pound online. And guys, if you are looking to build a business online, go ahead and hit the link in the description below. It'll take you over to the School of Nomads and will take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.